Last episode you cleaned up messy text. Now that text has to do some maths. Round 1 you scored 2. Round 2 you scored 3. The scoreboard adds them up and shows you 23. 2 and 3 is 5. So where did 23 come from? Look at where those scores arrived from. A form. And anything typed into a form arrives wrapped in quotes, which makes it a string. For a string, plus does not add, it glues. So the 2 and the 3 just stick together and out comes 23. So peel the quotes off, and that is exactly what int does. It takes a string that only looks like a number and hands you a real one. Same too, but no quotes. One quick thing before we move on. Int is for whole numbers. When there is a decimal point in there, you want float instead. So 2.5 stays 2.5. Now send the scores through again. Int of 2 plus int of 3 gives you 5. Plus is adding again. So quotes make a string and plus glue strings together. Int peels the quotes off and plus goes back to being maths. Let's write it for real. Line 1, the first score, as a string, exactly the way a form hands it over. Line 2, the second score. Line 3, print those two added together just as they arrived. And line 4, print them again, this time with int wrapped around each one. Save it and run it. Two answers come back. 23, the glue, and 5, the maths. Your turn. Type those 4 lines in any editor, save it as score.py, and run it. Then change the second score to 2.5 and swap int for float on both. The total comes back with a decimal point, 4.5. Next episode, letting your program ask a question and wait for your answer. See you there.